This is not a regular meeting. This is connecting local producers with tourism buyers.
We have opened a Linkages hub in the Ministry of Tourism. And what happens there is that we are trying to ensure that everything that is consumed, that is used in the tourism sector, that we can see if it can be grown or manufactured here in Jamaica.
When it is that the tourism sector buys from the productive sector, buys from the local industry, engages services of the local industry, then it is that we will say that the tourism industry is serving Jamaica well.
And so an idea was born. The idea of deepening the linkages between tourism and the productive services, such as agriculture, manufacturing and entertainment. The linkage has been a welcomed initiative by local producers.
Manufacturers, farmers and hoteliers are sitting at the table together and speaking about what our wants and needs are, what our requirements are and what our opportunities can be for each other. And it's been positive. We have been able to secure orders from large international companies such as Sandals, Marriott Courtyard.
This is how the initiative works. The overarching body is the Tourism Linkages Council. The council consists of 12 members.
The mandate I've given the council is to double this margin of local purchases, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the visitors are coming to Jamaica and these goods and products must be purchased. Let us produce more of what is consumed so that Jamaicans can earn more from tourism and retain those earnings here in Jamaica.
The council is a group of persons who have all volunteered to come and work on the council itself. So you have representatives from the GHTA, the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, JAMPRO, the Jamaica Agricultural Society, and a whole bunch of persons who believe that, that they have something to contribute to the mandate of the council.
The plans and objectives of the council are implemented by a unit in the ministry called the Tourism Linkages Hub. So far, the Linkages Hub has embarked on a number of projects to ensure the tourism sector is buying from local producers. There has been speed networking sessions where executives of supplier companies and managers of tourism entities get the opportunity to place orders and discuss contracts and prices.
We have had a number of persons reporting that they had contracts. The bedding industry has said that they have had approximately $40 million worth of bedding. There are new projects that are reporting that they're only going to be using local bedding in the industry. There are a lot of new products. Some of our suppliers were in awe that the tourism industry was so receptive of them. So of course there was this perception that we import everything.
A number of consulates and hoteliers are now buying more local items as Christmas gifts, as a result of the Hub's Christmas in July event, which started in 2015. The agricultural sector is also reaping good returns as a result of the Agritourism Farmers Market initiative.
The first market one reported that it was $14 million that was exchanged based on rather doing their calculation. The second, by the time we reached the third month, it had gone down to 8 and then 6.5 million, and we figured, okay, what is happening here? What had happened is that the farmers had now had relationship with the hotels, so they were now supplying them directly.
The Linkages Council is actually at the Tourism Centre on Knutsford Boulevard. And I think if people, want to learn more about it, they called, they'd be able to get information from the persons there.
The Tourism Linkages Hub, increasing the local earnings derived from the tourism industry. Building tourism, building Jamaica.